one of the main reasons why customers abandon their carts is because they found shipping too expensive. So today we're going to find out how to set up free shipping for your store. There are two ways to do this. Here's the first. So log into your store, click Products, Manage Products, click the pencil icon next to the product you want to offer free shipping. Scroll down to the Tax and Shipping section and set Charge Shipping to No. Click Modify, followed by Publish. No shipping charges will be applied to this product at checkout. If you want to offer free shipping for a larger number of products and you want your customers to fulfill certain criteria before they qualify for free shipping, here's how you do it. Go to Marketing, followed by Add Discount Coupons, and click the free shipping link. Let's begin by giving this coupon an ID that is easy for your customers to remember. In this case, I'm going to call it MYS0824 because MYS would stand for mid-year sale. 08 because it's August and the year is 2024. Now we're going to have to give it a start date and an end date, and let's give this coupon, or rather this discount, a name, MYS free shipping 2024, so it's easy to identify, right? So next you have to decide if you want your customers to qualify for this free shipping by purchasing maybe a minimum number of items, minimum number of units in this sense, or a minimum amount, let's say 250 ringgit or dollars or whatever your currency might be, your store currency, right? So in this case, it's going to make it very easy for them. I'm going to say all you need to do is buy 1 unit of anything on the store, or perhaps 1 unit of a selected product, which we will go into in a while. All right. So next is the usage limit. Do you want to limit the number of coupons available? Right. So if you do, it's a good way to create urgency. So in this case, again, I'm not going to set a usage limit. I'm going to set it to no. Right. Then, how about limiting the number of users per customer? You can do that here. So if you leave this blank, you're not going to limit the usage, okay? But if you do, let's say I'm going to say I'm going to limit to 2 a customer forever. All right, you can. But there's a caveat here, okay? Your customers need to be logged in so that the store can identify them. Otherwise, we won't know how to limit them, right? So you can choose to limit the number of users per customer forever, maybe 2 per day, 2 per week, 2 per month, 2 per year, and so on. All right. In this case, again, I'm not going to limit that. Next up, you have to decide if you want to make this coupon standalone, which means your customer cannot use this coupon with another. All right. That's called stacking. Okay, stacking. So standalone, yes, okay. If you set it to no, your customers can stack the coupons. So think about this, all right, before you decide what to do here. And now, if you are offering free shipping, it's not really free because you're actually going to pay for the shipping, right? And if you allow your customers to stack coupons, there's another coupon that's available around this date, and let's say it's 50% off, right? So your margins will be cut drastically because you're going to have to pay for shipping, yet you're going to have to honor that 50% off discount. So think about that carefully before you decide what to do, okay? And next you have to decide if you want to apply this coupon automatically as soon as your customers fulfill the requirements. In this case, if it's within the validity date, they have the minimum number of say quantity purchase, or they meet the minimum amount to qualify for the coupon, the usage limits and all that. So you can choose yes, you want this coupon to be applied automatically. All right, so your customers do not have to remember the coupon ID. Now, if you not only have an online store with us, but you use our POS system, and you can decide whether you want this coupon to be applied to all your outlets, including the online store, or only the online store, or only your outlets, or all your outlets, or only particular outlets. So you have a choice here. All right. Next, okay, you can decide which products this coupon will be valid for. So if you choose all products, you don't have to do anything more. All right. So all the products in your store will be valid for this coupon, or you can choose to only have selected products. Okay, this coupon will only apply to selected products, and even then it can apply to the entire order or only selected products in the entire order. So let's go into this right now. So here's the explanation for what I was talking about just now. So let's say, for example, we have 4 products. Okay, product A, product B, and you have selected products C and D. Now, how do you select these products? We'll go into this after this explanation. All right. So if there's no shipping or free shipping discount applied, a $5 flat rate will be charged per item. Okay, so keep this in mind when we talk about this example here. Okay, so let's say the coupon is valid for all products. Okay, so the discount is applied. Let's say it's automatic, right? No shipping charge will be applied. Okay, so that's easy, straightforward. Okay, so what if the coupon is valid for only selected products? Now, if you choose the entire order, now if any of these 2 products, these selected products C or D, is in the order with other products that have not been selected, okay, all right, to for the coupon to be applied to, there will be no shipping charge, just as long as any one of these selected products is in the order. Okay. Next, what if there's none of the selected products in the order? C and D is not in the order. You only have products A and B. In that case, shipping charges will apply. Remember, $5 per item. So there's 2 items here, or 2 units. So 5 times 2, you get $10. Okay, shipping charge. Now, what if you set it so that the coupon is only valid for selected products? Okay, for selected products only. Okay, in that case, if your order contains a few products, in this case 3 products, A, C and D. Now A is not a selected product, so in this case only C and D will enjoy free shipping. A is chargeable $5 times 1 unit of A. It could be 2, but in this case 1 unit, so 5 times 1, $5 will be charged for shipping. Okay, so next we'll look at shipping zones. Okay, shipping zones. So you can have this coupon valid for all your shipping zones. Let's say you ship to the whole world, not just the US. All right, let's have an example here. I think the US is in shipping state, or US states. Okay, this is the mainland states, but you might just want this coupon to be applied to particular states. In this case, Alaska and Hawaii, which I've put in zone 7. You can, all you have to do is just select it. All right, so this coupon will not be valid for any other zones except this. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to pick all shipping zones because I want this coupon to apply everywhere. Okay, then you can choose to enable coupon URL, which you can copy this and then send to customers. You can share it on social media, so when they click on the link, it will contain the code here. Remember, coupon ID, the coupon ID. They go on your store and they can add anything to cart, and if they meet the criteria, whether it's a date, the quantity, or amount required, or they have selected products, then this coupon will apply. Okay, and you can even choose to send this coupon to selected customers. All right, just fill in the name and then you can send it. All right, so right now I'm going to turn this all off, and I'm going to show you how to select particular products for this. Okay, click add new discount coupon. Oh, sorry, got to turn this off first. I'm going to click add new discount coupon, click continue, and here is where you select your products. Okay, So I'm going to select these two here. Now if you know your coupon or rather your product ID, you can just key it in here, do a search, and then select. Okay, so in this case I'm going to select these three, I'm going to add it to list, and you'll see them right on top here, right? Just click add products to discount. Okay, and that's it. All you need to do is publish next, and the coupon will be applied to your public store. Okay, so it can be used immediately. So that's it.